All right, guys. So let's go ahead and talk about what we're going to be doing for Forex here for this week. Let's go. So, NFP was negative news for the negative impact for Friday morning for NFP. Selling the US dollar for this week. Looking for the US dollar to come back down to 104 and then break down 104 to go down to 103. That's all I'll be looking at to see now how much more it's going to keep dropping. As we are looking to sell the US dollar index, let's see here, selling indices as well, they have dropped dramatically. So US 30 going down. I'll be looking for US 30 to go back down to 31,000, and then we'll see where the next move is going to be. There's a lot of resistance at 33 and 34 already. Big bearish engulfing candle on the weekly here. Not just for US 30, but for S&P as well. S&P is under 4,000, going back at 3,800. I'd be looking to sell this thing back down at 37 to 3,600. So that would be the next move back there. What else? NAS 100 is going back down. We're looking to sell. We're going to be selling NAS 100 back down to 11,000. And then we'll see where if it breaks 11,000 to go even below 11,000. So that is what we be doing. Selling US dollars, selling indices, buying gold, looking for gold to make a move back up to 1900. So first move would be 1880, 1900, and then the final target would be 1920 at the very top right up here for the next line of resistance here. Let's go here. Selling UJ, looking for UJ to go back down to 134 and then break down 134 to 133 to 132. Let's see here. Euro. Buying Euro. Now, I know it's kind of tricky because this pair hasn't been doing a whole lot. So, looking for it to break 107. And then if it doesn't break 107, it might end up just consolidating right here. So don't get too caught up on this price here because it's been a really tight price range. The structure is very narrow. And so don't get too caught up on trying to do a full swing on this. If you guys look at the previous candles, I mean, they just been, it's been going down after the 110 price, but also it is stuck here at right around 106 to 107. So we are buying it. Like I said, just don't get too caught up on this pair. Euro British. I'm going to sell this pair back down to 88 first. Okay, target 88, and then down to 87, and then to 86. But 87 would be the main break here. That's what I'd be looking at. All right. Buying the pound on very similar setup, just like Euro. So these two pairs are just not in the best range to go off of a trend. We are buying this pair looking for 121 to 122. If it keeps going, the big price jump, the big price to hit would be 125. Doesn't break 125, I mean that's like a long haul right here. So I would just be looking at the 121 price range and see where it's going to go from there. U-Swiss, selling U-Swiss back down to 92, and then looking for a move back to break 91 back to 90. UCAD, looking for UCAD, okay. Looking for UCAD to go to 139 to 140, and then we'll see how much more it's gonna keep going. Hold on. Whoops. Did I mess up on this? I'm gonna go back. What I had for UCAD? Yeah, I had UCAD to buy, which is weird, which is too weird, but it's okay. Might end up switching this up. Yeah, so we have a buy for Australia and New Zealand now. I know Australia has a massive move going back down again. So I'm gonna end up switching this up. but based on the signals that I sent out, MT4 has a different, didn't have too much of this is a longer candle, so looking to buy Australia and New Zealand. Now, if things switch up, we were going to be selling these two pairs. So buying Australia for 66. If it doesn't even come back to break 66, I'm going to end up selling back down. Same thing for New Zealand, buying for 62. And then if it doesn't go above 62, you can end up selling it back down. Okay. What's going to be tricky right now is that UCAD is on a massive move, but also this could be the next line of resistance that it potentially could come back down even further. So don't get too caught up here. Like I said, I do have UCAD as a buy. So just be well prepared to shift gears into switching back to sell if this does not keep going up. As for news wise, I don't think there's anything. Daylight savings was today. Wednesday. That's pretty much it. So Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday's a big day for impact news. Other than that, I don't really see a thing a whole lot here for this one. So, anything else, hit me up in the chat group on Telegram. I will see you guys later. Peace. All right, happy Sunday fun day. Let's get okay. So we're gonna talk about crypto here. So we're buying crypto again, as always. Go here. Well, buying ain't good now. No. So I did have the buy signals out before out in this morning. Looks like they're backtracking. Okay, so going back down. I'm still looking for Bitcoin to come back to 22,000. It was up before at 21.3. So we'll see if they sustain the price for today. If not, we might just end up switching to sell. Same thing for Ethereum. I'm looking for Ethereum to come back up to 1,600 for this week. High price of 1560. They are starting to come back down. So it's already almost 3 o'clock here my time. So let's talk about this. Looking for Litecoin come back to 75 to $76. Shiba, not so much for Shiba right now. Dogecoin, massive moves. Wow, that's crazy. Massive moves here. Still looking for Dogecoin to hit at least 7 and 8 cents. And so it did shoot up, but it shot right itself back down. So don't get too caught up here. Tezos, looking for Tezos to build support. Support prices at right at 98 cents, and then looking for it to come back to go back to $1.10. Ripple, looking to buy Ripple. Looking for Ripple to hit 36 to 38 cents. Still in this range. Not a whole lot to go off of this pair. Neo, looking for Neo to come back to $10. That's all I'll be looking at for Neo. Dash, buying Dash. For Dash to hit 52 to $56. I gotta narrow this down. So Solana, looking for Solana to hit 19 back to $20. And then Zcash shot up really high up to 38. And now it's back down to 32. So we will see where Zcash ends up going. But like I said, we're buying all the cryptocurrencies today. They are trickling back down. We will see where the maneuver is going to be, especially for Bitcoin here. If Bitcoin is going to sustain this price at 20,000, if not, might end up just falling back below under 20,000. But the support price is at 20,000. So we'll see where it goes from there on the daily chart here. If anything, like I said, I might end up switching up signals on the buy to a sell if they keep selling. So other than that, it's just a quick video. And if there's anything else, I'll see you guys in the chat group. Peace.